Hello fan collectors, I'm going to show you my 52-inch Hunter low profile ceiling fan from January of 1990, and I did have the low profile 5 right here, and I decided to hang this one in the spot because, well, it was easy to do because I have the mounting bracket from the aforementioned low profile V, because all I need to do is put the motor on those three little what do you call them, hinges, whatever, that hold the motor in place, and it was the easiest thing to do. And this isn't any Hunter low profile. This is the one I inherited from my grandparents. It hung 20 years in their kitchen, and I remember when it went in, I helped them pick it out at Heckinger in July of 1990, and it served them well. And it's got a few little blemishes on it. See, the screen's about shot, but the fan still runs well. And I put new blade arms on it. These are the ones that came off my 48-inch Summer Breeze from 1989. It was one of the later models before they switched to the 52-inch more traditional blade arms, or the pointed blades. Well, that one was causing a lot of noise, and I tried to fix it, but I had to part it out. So anyway, that's why the blade arms look in better shape than the rest of the fan. And I have the oak side showing, just as it was in my grandparents' kitchen. And the light kit came off my polished brass Legacy, and as you know, that was not a very good combo, so I immediately shoved it on this one, which looks a lot better. It's 4 blades, 4 lights. It's got that Casablanca K4S kind of look to it. If you see the where the globe screws in right there, that is very reminiscent of a Casablanca K4S fitter. And I did have some globes that definitely screamed Casablanca. I put on them, which some would think that that's what inspired Hunter to merge with Casablanca. But this is back when Hunter was Hunter and Casablanca was Casablanca. And I'll turn the lights on for you. And that puts out a great deal of light. I'll turn them off. It's a reversible motor, and there's the Hunter logo. I have a long pull chain on this fan, so. And I'm going to rev it up for you, first on low. It's finally running well after all these years, you know. When I had the original blade arms on it, the ones that came with it, it was wobbling for some odd reason. But now it runs just the way it should. Medium. Oh, ignore the background noise. For some reason it's making the turtle fan's making some rattling noise. And I just did a video of that and it was quiet for it, but see, it's running on medium. Feel a little bit of air, but I will feel more once we get it to high. Oh yeah. Move a lot of air now. It does have a slight shake to it, but not as bad as it was before I fixed it. There. Wow. It does okay for a hugger as far as airflow is concerned. But now we will power it down. It's a really good air mover. Okay, fan has come to a complete stop. This concludes our broadcast day. Thank you for watching. More to come.